Aboriginal Tasmanian, Fanny Cochran Smith singing into her phonograph. In 1903, without her efforts to preserve her culture, we would have no audio traces of the Tasmanian language. Pretty OSC. New York in the 1960s. In the middle of a celebration, a young woman from Oaxaca, Mexico, notices she is being photographed and gives a look to the camera. 1985. Faces of Auschwitz, 1940. This photo shows Margaret Ann Neve, an American woman who passed away. In 1902, after reaching the age of 1 to 10, this woman was born. In 1792, which means she lived in 3 centuries. Princess of Egypt and Iranian Queen Fawzia Fuad, c. 1939. Blackfoot Chief, 2 Guns, White Calf, early 1900s. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share with your friends. And don't miss other interesting information.